Oh, hello. Just heading down to check on the crops I planted last week. Let's see what we got here. Oh, these headlights are coming in real nicely. I wonder if they're ready to pick. Oh yeah, that's some really fresh halogen right there. Nothing better than fresh brights. And over here, yeah, these tires, they've already doubled in size. Little known fact, there are a few ways to do it, but this is the only right way to grow a tire swing tree. And then I think we buried the baby somewhere over here, didn't we? Well, maybe it's just not coming up yet. I'm not gonna worry about that. Anyway, it's time to get back to building the plant garage, as I call it. Today we're gonna be using some heavy machinery to do some dirt digging, and then we're gonna start building some stuff. Maybe in a week or two we'll get back to the cars. Alan may have done something by then, or maybe he'll be broke down on the side of the highway in Dallas, because that happened. Anyway, here we go. Today, we're starting on building a foundation for the greenhouse. And today's gonna be a good day. Not only because we're gonna get something done, but because we get to drive this. We got our co-pilot. We've got our helmet for safety.
You're racing.
Yes, because where we're going, we don't need roads. I may have left a few tread marks. So leveling is complete for the most part. It's pretty level, but it's gonna be a deck, so it doesn't really matter that much. We didn't want to dig away too much from the retaining wall here and have the wall fall down at some point, because that would be bad. So now Alan is going to take our handy dandy detailed schematics, and we're gonna mark some holes and then dig some holes with this guy right over here. Neither of us have ever used one of those before. Always done the manual style, but we'll see how it goes. How many hospitals are in the area? At least 2. We're good. We're good. We got this covered. So we didn't get it on camera because we ran out of battery, but Alan was just brutally attacked by the post hole digger. It got me good. Yeah, actually, it looks like you already have a bruise there.
It's gonna be a little.
Oh no.
It's okay. We have Erin here. She's practicing being a mother.
Yeah.
Wait, are you putting rubbing alcohol on this?
Steven said to. You can pick out your band-aid.
Ooh.
Or
Sewing
maybe-
band-aids?
I wonder if there's bigger ones. I don't know.
We just got back from the store, set a line to make things straight. We're gonna start with posts on that side, and then we're gonna work our way around based on where those go. So next up, posts. So Alan has decided he's tired of carrying concrete, so he's gonna take our friend T-Rex here to go get some more. Could be interesting. Been a little while. Alan hasn't shown up yet. And I just heard a horn. He might be in trouble. The only problem is I don't know if I'm you or if I'm me. Huh. Quite the conundrum. That looks exhausting. Hit the wall. Time for a minor update. We got all the joist work done here. If things look like they're a little crooked, that's just because it's an optical illusion. No, we actually, so we're doing 18 inches between the joists, but some people measure from here and some people measure from there. So a little bit of a difference, but it's not gonna make, or it's not gonna cause a problem when we put the decking on, because it's all still 18 inches apart, just a different 18 inches. We just went to the store, we got the decking. It's gonna be challenging to get it back here though, because we're also having a pool built at the same time that we're doing this greenhouse, and now my backyard is all dug up. A big hole is not ideal for trying to get wood back here. But as it turns out, the lot next to us is empty right now. So we're going to go and get Alan's Jeep and do a little bit of off-roading to get some wood back there. We're going to the hospital today. Nope, 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 nope. And here we go again. Another day, another deck screw. And we are done with the decking, almost. You may have noticed this jagged edge over here that was not cut all nicely as we were going along and doing the deck. And that is because we're gonna cut it now at the end so everything is nice and flush and even. We got these 2x8s to put on the outer edge after that, make everything look nice. You won't see any exposed ends. Typical way you do it is with a chalk line, but I don't have a chalk line. So I'm gonna break out the laser level. We don't really need it for leveling, but we'll use it to make a nice straight line, mark the line, and then we'll cut. And that's probably it for today. Probably do the 2x8s later because the sun is starting to set. And at some point it might rain. So nice and even, get things cleaned up, and I think we're done for today.